There is nothing wrong with a thick beard oil, or also known as a thick viscosity beard oil. However, it might not be the right oil for you and for your beard, and I'm happy to explain, but first I'd like to welcome you guys and introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I have my own YouTube channel, but today I'm coming to you from the Volt Life-Proof Grooming's YouTube channel, and if you guys are not already, consider subscribing. There's a bunch of great content creators on this channel, and if you're excited to hear about this topic in particular, hit a thumbs up, the like button on this video, and let's go ahead and jump into what I'm talking about. So I've been hearing more and more from people lately that their beard oil doesn't work, or they don't like beard oil, and then I have two questions for them. What's going on? Like, why don't you like it? And then equally as important, what beard oil are you using or referencing? And I'll talk about what's going on in a second, but I think it's important to establish what they're using. They will tell me a thick viscosity beard oil. Now, oftentimes these are high quality ingredients, a good company, and even there's a couple of good thick beard oils that are available in stores. And so a lot of guys are going to that and they're trying that, and they're still saying that they don't like beard oil. I truly believe anybody with a beard should be using beard oil for the look, for the feel, for the smell. There's so much to it, and there's very, very few reasons ever to not use it, but it is important to find what works for you. What a lot of people will experience if they're not using the right oil, especially if it's something like a thick oil, is a thick oil is designed to seal and coat the hairs, right? It's gonna latch on and it's gonna be there. The downside is it's much slower to absorb in, and it can leave your beard feeling kind of like greasy or oily, right? That's the intended purpose. Again, I'm not saying that's bad, but a lot of guys don't like that. They want to caress their beard while they're at work, and then they have oily hands. They go to do something to their mustache, and now they're texting and there's grease all over their phone, and it's just simply they didn't get the right oil for themselves. So of course, this video is on the Volt Life-Proof Grooming's YouTube channel, which has its own beard oil, which is not a thick oil. This is not trying to discourage anybody from trying other ones or understanding that there's good options. It's just simply about, hey, you need to find what works for you. And Volt uses a medium to medium light viscosity oil that's gonna be faster absorbing. It's gonna it makes my beard style great, makes my beard feel great. But I have a feeling if you're watching this video and you're nodding your head, you're like, oh my gosh, my beard feels heavy, my beard feels greasy or oily, it just doesn't ever seem to really absorb in or go away. Try going with a medium or light viscosity oil, and it could make all the difference in the world. Not that you were wrong before, you just had to dial in your personal preferences and variables, and maybe Volt is the answer for you. Drop a comment down below if you guys have experienced other viscosity oils, if you've experienced Volt's oil. Just let's open some discussion and dialogue and have some great feedback in that comment section. And of course, you're always welcome to ask some questions. So thank you guys for watching today. I do hope you check out this company. I hope you check out their YouTube channel. And I want to say thank you for checking this video out. My name's Dan C. Bearded. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day.